Changing the email link to your Venmo account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines of the profile icon in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Email. In the Settings menu, look for the Email option. Tap on it to view the current email address linked to your account. Step 4. Update your email. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for Save or Update button and tap it. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the change. Now you have successfully changed the email link to your Venmo account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Venmo support for assistance.